Today we're going to do more with elderflower. So I've got about 20 heads of the elderflower like this to make some elder cordial. Always check the ID of the plant, but hopefully the other videos or other resources can help you with that. So we're going to make a cordial, and essentially a cordial is using sugar, lots of sugar and water. Now you can do things with honey and so on, but for now we're just going with sugar. So for this recipe, 20 heads of elderflowers, half a litre of water and 500 grams, I'm putting brown sugar into it, and I'm going to dissolve it into the water. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Okay, so I've melted the sugar in the water and I'm going to put it into a container. Ceramic is really nice, but actually I'm just going to use this for now, and then I'm going to put one orange into this like this, and one lemon into this. Put it into this. Let all the juices come into this, and then I'm going to take my elderflower and put it into this area like this, and I'm going to let it all get covered in the hot syrupy water, and effectively I'm going to spend a bit more time making that work, and then every day for 4 days, quite a process this one, I'm going to cover it in that, and then every day I'm going to stir it, and afterwards I'm going to drain all the bits out, and I'm going to be left with elderflower cordial, which I might put in a bottle or I might freeze in little ice cubes so that I can use it in that way. So that's it. Recipe: oranges, lemon, sugar, water, elderflowers.